Alright, so the chessboard is pretty much in a working state now. I've got the screen at the front and the interface buttons working. The pieces are just cheap ones that I got from the warehouse, but they'll be replaced by something a little bit nicer. Don't look too closely at the veneer that I've glued onto it, but it's there anyway. And the checkerboard pattern is also, pretty scratchy. But that's the box. It's ready for a new game, so I'll just go ahead and move a piece, and computer calculates a move. Your move. And so on. I've set the difficulty to 1. I managed to beat Stockfish on difficulty level 0, so I've upped it 1 step. So I'll just keep on doing that until I figure out where the machine is, that I can have a challenge and not get beaten all the time. So yeah, that's pretty much how the outside of it looks. I'll open up the inside shortly. So here's the machine flipped over. The interface is done largely through an Arduino Uno. As you can see there, that's the sort of arms and legs of the machine, if you like, so that does the sensing and display of movements. It does the sensing through a number of these chips here, MCP 23017. That's one of 4 which is wired up to the read switches to tell the machine where things are physically located. Breadboard for some of the wiring. On the front, that's the back end of the LCD display, and that's the wiring for the buttons on the front. And around the back, the actual brains of the machine, that's the Raspberry Pi there, which does the actual thinking for the device, running Stockfish at the moment, the free engine Stockfish version 8, I believe it is. Version 10 is available, but I probably don't need to update it because at the moment it's just way too strong for me anyway. So yeah, that's the bottom of the machine. I've put a tray on the bottom of it just to keep things a little bit more secure. I won't close the back just because it'll give it a little bit more ventilation. I'm not sure quite how hot it will run, but it will generate some heat, so I'll leave it as open as I can. Alright, so I'm partway through a game. For whatever reason, you might want to restart it. So on white's turn, it's just a matter of pushing the red button. New game, sure. When you are, push the green button. So reset the pieces. All set. Green for go. You'll move, and away we go again. Etc. So there you have it, one chess machine.